What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Kamal-Amir. So tonight I'm going to share with you guys 4 passive residual income ideas that I'm guaranteeing you never heard of. I'm guaranteeing that matter of fact, 3 out of the 4 you never heard of is unique to us. They're simple to use, but more importantly, they're effective. So all 4 of these I'm blessed to benefit from now, which is why I want to share with you guys, because we're going through a rough time, and I figure that a lot of us could use some extra money, right? And what better way to do it than a passive residual income stream, especially if you don't have to get a second job. So let's jump into this. So numbers 1 and 2, we have something called smart code technology. All right, so smart code technology. Under smart code technology, we have 2 services that are always free for the customer. This is Build Genius and this is iGo. Now, the way you get customers for both of these free services is through a QR code, right? QR codes are pretty much the thing today. So you can save this QR code to your home screen of your phone. You can put it on a business card. You can put it anywhere. But the QR code is always unique to you, and your customers are forever linked to you. Now, the great thing about this smart code technology is not just the fact that it creates a passive residual income, but for every smart code that's activated, we're able to feed a starving or undernourished child through our charitable foundations, right? So that's 1 and 2, iGo and Build Genius. DM me after this so we can actually get into the details about what Build Genius is, what iGo is, how you use it, what it does, but more importantly, how it creates a passive income for you. All right, so let's keep it moving. Number 3 is Forex. Most of us heard of Forex. So we have an Elevate legacy building platform. This is our education platform that teaches us a style of trading called institutional investing. Most people don't know, when you put your money in the bank, for every dollar you put in the bank can leverage it times 10. The bank takes your money and they trade your money in the Forex markets. The Forex markets is a $4.4 trillion a day liquid market. Why continue to give your money to the banks when you can basically keep your own money, learn how to do what the banks are doing, and grow your own money and stop getting those pennies on the dollars from the banks? This is through the Elevate Forex trading platform education. All right, so learn Forex. It's one of the best skills you can learn. Once you got it, they cannot take it from you. Learn Forex. Number 4, just simply sharing the Elevate platform. I joined Elevate. I'm learning institutional investing. I'm doing good, so I got excited. I shared it with some people who I felt might be interested. They heard about it. They loved it too, so they joined. Because I introduced them to it, each month I'm actually able to earn a passive residual income. I don't make any money from their trades, nor does Elevate, but simply because I shared the opportunity with them so they can put themselves in a better position, I can actually make a passive residual income. It's a win-win. So it's your boy Kamal-Amir. 4 different ways to earn a passive residual income stream. DM me and let's have a chat about these Jones and see what it could do for you. Peace.